friends, creators, dreamers. Today I want to talk to every person who has ever uploaded a video with hope in their heart and then felt the sting of silence. You know the feeling. You plan, you shoot, you edit until late at night. You hit publish, imagining thousands of views, and instead you see 10, maybe one comment, maybe none. A week goes by, a month, sometimes even a year, and nothing seems to move. Many people stop right there. They tell themselves, this isn't for me. I'm wasting time, maybe I don't have the talent. But I'm here to tell you, this is the very moment that decides your future. The myth of overnight success. When we look at famous YouTubers today, it's easy to believe they got lucky. You see millions of subscribers, fancy studios, brand deals, but you don't see the hidden years, the long nights, the countless videos that no one watched. Take MrBeast as an example. People know him now for giving away millions and breaking records, but most forget that he started uploading when he was just a kid. For 5 long years, his videos barely got any attention. 5 years of trial and error, learning editing, studying the algorithm, improving little by little. Today, he's one of the highest earning creators on the planet. That didn't happen in a week or a month. It happened because he refused to stop. Look at Marques Brownlee, MKBHD, the tech reviewer. His first videos were shot on a webcam in his bedroom. For years, he spoke to a tiny audience. Now he interviews tech CEOs and reviews products for millions. Think of Lilly Singh, Mark Rober, Nikki Tutorials. Each of them uploaded for years before the world noticed. Success on YouTube is never an instant miracle. It is a slow build, just like opening a physical shop. You wouldn't rent a storefront, paint the walls, and expect to profit in the first month. You know a shop takes time, 6 months, a year, sometimes longer to attract loyal customers. Why would YouTube be any different? Why most creators quit? The truth is simple. Most people underestimate the journey. They think one viral video will change everything. When that doesn't happen, they lose heart. They compare themselves to others and forget that every big channel you admire went through the same quiet phase. Here's the hard truth. Consistency beats talent. Algorithms reward steady effort. Audiences need time to trust you. Your own skills, editing, storytelling, thumbnails, need months and years to grow. Stopping after a few weeks or even a few months is like planting a seed and digging it up every day to see if it sprouted. You kill the very growth you're hoping for. The shopkeeper's lesson. Imagine a shopkeeper who opens a small store in your neighborhood. For the first year, business is slow. He works long hours, hardly makes a profit. Does he close the shop after 2 months? No. He knows that every day he stays open, people notice. Customers slowly build trust. A year later, the store is busy. 2 years later, it's a landmark. Your YouTube channel is that shop. Every video is a brick. Every upload is another day with the lights on. The longer you stay, the stronger the foundation. Focus on progress, not perfection. Maybe you worry your videos aren't good enough. Good, that means you can improve. Your first 10, 20, even 50 videos are your training ground. MrBeast has said he made 100 videos before he was proud of any of them. Think about that. 100 attempts before he felt ready. Every upload teaches you something. How to hook viewers, how to tell a story, how to make a better thumbnail. This is how you win, learn, adjust, repeat. Redefining success. Don't measure success only by views or subscribers. Measure it by growth. Did you learn a new skill this week? Did you improve your editing speed? Did someone leave a genuine comment? These small victories are signs of a future audience. Remember, one true fan today can become 1,000 tomorrow. Many big creators say their first 100 viewers were the most important, because those were the people who believed before the crowd arrived. The 3 rules to keep going. 1. Patience like a farmer. Seeds grow in silence. Your job is to water them, not to dig them up. 2. Consistency like the sunrise. Upload on a schedule you can sustain. Once a week, twice a month, but never break your promise to yourself. 3. Improvement like a student. Study your analytics, watch successful channels, learn from mistakes, and keep evolving. Do this for a year, 2 years, 5 years if necessary. Your skills will sharpen. The algorithm will notice. Opportunities you can't even imagine today will appear. Your future audience is waiting. Somewhere out there, a person needs the exact content you are capable of making. They need your voice, your perspective, your story, but they can only find you if you keep uploading. Every time you consider quitting, picture the people who will one day thank you for not giving up. Think of the messages you'll receive. Your video changed my life. Your story gave me hope. Those messages are real. They are waiting for you. Final words. Friends, YouTube is not a sprint, it is a marathon. The path is long. The nights can feel endless, but the reward is worth every step. Don't let early silence fool you. Don't let slow growth break you. Remember MrBeast and his 5 silent years. Remember the shopkeeper who opened every day until the street knew his name. Remember that every big creator once stood exactly where you are, uploading into the void and wondering if anyone cared. Decide today, I will not quit. Upload, learn, improve, repeat. Give your channel the same commitment you would give to any real business. Because one day, maybe sooner than you think, the views will climb, the audience will come, and you will look back and say, I'm glad I kept going. So turn on the camera, create, publish, and never ever stop. Your future fans are already searching. Make sure you're still here when they find you.